and welcome to the XQCPA channel, where we share with you the latest and greatest tax tips and business news. As a business owner, you may be too busy with your business's day-to-day operations to take vacations on a regular basis. If you own a timeshare property, you may feel that it is going to waste. However, you can still get your money's worth on your timeshare with one strategy: let your employees use it. The idea might sound odd, but allowing your employees use of your timeshare can actually bring about significant tax savings. How? There are two methods we will share with you, so stay tuned. The first method is to treat your timeshare property as a tax-free fringe benefit to your employees. Essentially, you establish a system for your employees to use the timeshare when it is available to you. However, you have to be a bit careful in how you set up a system for your employees to sign up to spend time at the property. The IRS strictly prohibits any sort of discrimination between employees for this benefit. Make sure everyone gets a fair chance at staying at your timeshare. A first-come, first-served basis is neutral enough. If you do not plan on using the timeshare for yourself this year, you shouldn't have an issue justifying the timeshare as primarily benefiting your general employees. That is, you have to set up this benefit for your employees first. Your enjoyment and time spent at the property should come second. If you do plan to use the timeshare, just make sure it is for less time than your regular employees. Same goes for any employees that are already highly compensated, earning more than $155,000 in 2024. You and your higher earning employees are in one category, while your regular employees are in another. If you have family members as employees, even if their income is below the highly compensated threshold, the IRS attributes ownership to them, so they must be counted in the same category as you. Proportionally, the regular employees group must use the timeshare more than you, the property owner, and your highly compensated employees. The second method is to offer use of the timeshare as your employee's compensation. This works by simply adding the fair market value of use of the timeshare and any expenses incurred there on the employee's W-2. With this method, you are allowed to choose which employees can use your property. An example would be to reward your employee who made the highest sales of the year with an all-expenses-paid trip to your timeshare as a bonus. This can be an easier method to deduct use of the timeshare because you can circumvent the entertainment facility disallowance rules. However, there are rules you must follow. If you add the value of a non-cash fringe benefit in your employee's gross income, you may not deduct this amount as compensation for services, but rather may deduct only the costs you incurred in providing the benefit to the employee. What does this mean? If you actually own the timeshare, expenses you can deduct are the building's depreciation and the amount allocated for Section 179 expensing of furniture and appliances, as well as regular operating expenses. If you lease the timeshare rather than own, you can deduct the lease payments. Understanding how to use the deduction takes a bit of studying, but once you are able to implement it, you could save a great deal on your tax return. To ensure you do it correctly, it's important to have a tax professional to guide you. If you currently do not have anyone you can trust, please don't hesitate to reach out to XQCPA for assistance. We would love to help you, so give us a call at 832-295-3353 or book a consultation at the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed today's video on converting your timeshare into a business tax deduction. Do you own a timeshare? Is this a strategy you want to implement into your tax plan? Let us know in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. As always, we will appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this coming soon. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.